Cookie Heaven vs. Universal Studios, Legal Case Scenario Analysis. Introduction. The presented case involves two companies, Cookie Heaven and Universal Studios, which faced the challenge of negotiating contract terms, leading to their misinterpretation by one of the parties. The defendant in this case, Universal Studios, stands here falsely accused of violating the agreement with Cookie Heaven, which is a serious crime for the enterprise's reputation. After examining the circumstances of this event, we will ask for a verdict of not guilty. The Cookie Heaven and Universal Studios case. Cookie Heaven decided to take legal action against Universal Studios on the basis of the recent contract regarding food delivery to their personnel during the production of The Matrix 4. However, the negotiated services were not confirmed by the latter due to the impossibility of receiving them when the initially approved prices changed. Meanwhile, Cookie Heaven claims that the contract was made between the two parties, and its terms were clear. On this basis, they state that an apparent violation of their agreement happened when they delivered the meals. Nevertheless, in this situation, this lawsuit seems to be based on the erroneous assumption that the offer was made, whereas definite terms required for it were absent as the prices were not established. Consequently, no proper conditions were stated by Universal Studios and accepted by Cookie Heaven, which implies the lack thereof. Its implied nature also does not allow neglecting the fact that terms were unclear and, therefore, invalid. Even though prices could be negotiated later, their confirmation did not take place. Conclusion. In conclusion, we would ask you to find that the client was innocent since the requirements of implied contracts were not followed. The change in prices was not accepted by Universal Studios in any permissible form in order to claim the presence of violations on their part. Considering these circumstances, we ask for a verdict of not guilty due to the compliance of the company's actions with corresponding legal provisions.